Every man wants to be an Iron Man, but a powerful man has an Iron Man pan. He can cook in the bush while crushing cans, or wow the ladies, cooking up a flan. It's an Aussie pan, not a bullshit scam. It's raw iron, ma'am, like his muscles, damn.
Iron Man pan, PFAS-free PTFE-free pan. Iron Man pan, built tough in your hand. Even he's a fan, RFK, of this Iron Man pan. Want iron in your food instead of plastics, man? Then mate, you are worthy of this Iron Man pan. The Iron